So question 9. Two variables x and y are connected with the equation y equals kx to the power n. The graph of log base 2y against log base 2x is a straight line as gross. Question 9. Two variables x and y are connected by the equation y equals kx to the power of n. The graph of log base 2y against log base 2x is a straight line as shown. So it's here. And we're asked to find the values of k and n. So this might look a bit confusing when you first see it, but don't panic. It's pretty straightforward once you see. So you have the thing to notice here is you're going to have a straight line here, and we already know an expression for the straight line. That's just y equals mx plus c. Okay, so what we need to do is figure out how we can get all the components we need here from this equation here. So first of all, we can rewrite, well, we'll see that the y-intercept, well, a lot of people call it plus b, I call it plus c. It's going to be 3, so b is going to be equal to 3, and the gradient m is just equal to the vertical change over the horizontal change, which is just going to be 3 over 12, which is the same as 1 over 4. So now we can start to substitute these values in, and instead of y, we're going to use log 2y, and instead of x, we're going to use log 2x. So this just becomes log 2y equals 1 over 4 log 2x plus 3. Okay, and now we just need to simplify this expression down to try and get it into this form of y equals kx to the power of n. So so what can we do first of all? Well, log to the base 2y, logs are looking at well, you can use the laws of logs and move this up here, so this then becomes log to the base 2x to the power of 1 over 4 plus 3. Now if you move this over to this side, you get log 2y minus log 2x to the power of 1 over 4 equals 3. And through the power of log, because of the power of logs, or log rules, you get log to the base 2 y all over x to the 1 over 4 equals 3. Now you can just take the inverse for this expression for log 2, and this then becomes y over x to the power of 1 over 4 is equal to 2, because there's the base 2, so this then 2, then the 3 becomes the exponential, or you could think of it as log to the base 2 of 2, and then you're moving that up there. Okay, so that we can then simplify this, so y equals, well, 2 cubed is 8. This just then comes up here and becomes x to the power of 1 over 4. And that's almost it, because as you can see here, this is now in the same form of y equals kx to the power of n. So all we need to do now is write down k is equal to 8 and n is equal to 1 over 4. And that's our final answer there. Okay, I need to change my colour of my pen. Okay. So where are the marks in this question? Well, there's 5 marks. So you might want to check the marking scheme against this, but you get 1 mark for stating the linear equation here. Then you get a mark here for using the law of logs to move that up. Then you get another mark for using the law of logs here, and then another mark for using the law of logs there, and then you get your final mark for writing k and n there, so it's 5 out of 5.